Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Hyde Honkai Impact 3RD inspired by 40 PC case bundle and keycap set. So friend, the Honkai Impact 3RD is a top class action game bringing impressive story experience and hundreds of below characters over the past 7 years, and who was just say Mars in a recent storyline will share her good fortune and love with players and parts of in collaboration. The official Hyde 40 Songyu's Enkes 40 limited edition bundle on the front and side glass panel and artwork made exclusive for this case and comes with theme fans routes for further system personalization, and it also features a limited edition incremental badge on the case back to donate ownership alongside subtle notes to the character signature marks on the case, power switch and back ventilation panel, and keyboard warriors that prefer to customize their board can also look forward to the height Songkyu, Shadow Mimmer, Keycap set, and the Escape Fortune Decks paid bundle. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.